Hi guys! Mabuhay po kayo lahat diyan! Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen. Today's recipe is lauoy, a fried fish and vegetable soup. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Here are the ingredients of today's dish: mackerel, fish sauce, onion, taro, salt, ginger, chili pepper, lemongrass, string beans, butternut squash, spinach, okra, tomato, cooking oil, aubergine, and water. Now let's start cooking by frying the fish. Before frying, let's prepare the fish by sprinkling salt on top of the fish. Give it a bit of stir. Now the fish is ready to be fried. Now the oil is hot, let's add the fish. Just fry it on a low heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, just flip them over to fry the other side. Looking lovely. And the next one. Okay. Now it's all flipped. Let's fry them for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn off the heat and set aside. In a separate pan, boil water. Now the water is boiling, add the ginger, taro, butternut squash, onion, lemongrass, tomato, and chili pepper. Give it a stir. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the string beans, aubergine, okra. Give it a stir. Mix them thoroughly. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the fish. Add the fish sauce. Cover and simmer for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, just add the spinach. Cover and simmer for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, it is now ready to enjoy. Just remove the lemongrass. Lauoy, not only delicious but very healthy for you. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. Please subscribe to our channel. More recipe to follow. Thanks for watching. See you soon.